What's up guys, I'm Tech Pro back in another video. By the title of the video guys, today you know what we're gonna do. Today we're gonna build a gaming PC build which costs $500 guys, and the price will fluctuate because of the market. It goes up and down, but no problem guys. Please stay till the end of the video because I'm going to show the benchmark of the video of the PC, and also this PC beast guys really. So we're gonna use a GTX 1050 for the PC and a new Ryzen CPU, so stay tuned. Guys, link in the description of the video will send you the bars which I use in this video guys. Please make sure to use them, it's helped me a lot. There are always enough free links, make sure to use them, I request you. Next, this PC costs $500 guys, and we are using CPU AMD Ryzen 3 desktop processor guys. It has 3.4 GHz quad-core CPU and it is a full quad-core CPU guys. It has including its own cooler, so no need to buy an external cooler for your CPU. Next, on the motherboard we are using MSI B350M Pro motherboard. It supports up to 64GB RAM, and you can update it to up to 64GB RAM, and it supports DDR4, and it also supports 7th generation Intel processor, so you can install Coffin Slack CPUs on your motherboard if you want. Next, on the RAM using Blessing Sports 8GB DDR4 RAM, 2400 megapixels, and standard DDR4 memory guys, ideal for gaming and performance. But I recommend you to take another 8GB for your PC because nowadays we need more extra, up to 8 to 12GB for gaming. Next, for the graphics card we are using NVIDIA GTX 1050 4GB graphics card, 1417 memory clock speed, and DDR4 and 4GB guys. It also support DDR5 guys. It's mainly based for 1080p gaming guys. You can play 2 to 4K games, but you should decrease the graphics quality guys. There will be some lag in 2K and 4K. More the storage using Western Digital 1TB hard disk, 1TB capacity. Improve your PC guys, but I recommend you to take an SSD for your PC because if you have more $40, just throw on an SSD guys. Buy an SSD. SSD will improve your performance. Next, move on the power supply. We're using NVIDIA 430W power supply. 430 power supply has 3 years of warranty. It's a great, nothing fancy, but the job is done. Next, on the case, we're using ROSEWILL's micro TVR mid-tower computer case guys. It's a micro TVR case, so it supports dual B 3.0 and it has 2 dual fans, so it can keep your CPU cool. Nothing fancy. It has RGB in this case. A quite budget friendly case in my opinion, and great build quality guys. Let's move on to the benchmark guys. Guys, I hope you like this video guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share the video guys, and comment down below. And I'm Tech Pro signing out.
When I wake up